Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video. It's going to kind of involve a lot of newer products that I haven't tried out yet, but two products that I really want to, or no, three products I really want to mention. I've got this Makeup Revolution. This is their, I think it's the highlighter palette. Yeah. Look at that. Is that not, that might be too close up. Is that not stunning? It's like the back is almost like a mirror, and then obviously it has a mirror right here. I've already swatched some of these and they're beautiful. Love those. And then what I'm most excited about, because it really got me, like the moment I saw this, it just inspired me to really go hard, and I guess it inspired me to do more makeup, if that makes sense, like to do crazier makeup. But this is the Zulu Palette by Juvias Place. Wait till you guys see this. If you guys have not seen this yet, what are you doing with your lives? Because it's beautiful. First off, the picture, like the detail, oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, anyways, we're just gonna open it. The only thing about these palettes is they don't have mirrors, but do you see this? Oh my god. Like, the reason I bought this palette is this color was speaking my name, and then I think it was this blue here that was also speaking my name. But the yellow, I was like, for some reason when I bought this, I was just like, fuck, I'm really into yellows right now. And that is like, yes. So, when I went on Juvia's Place, I saw that they had this palette, the Zulu palette, and then they had the Saharan 2 palette. And they actually had them in a bundle, and I think I got them for $35. I used a discount code. Anyways, this is the Saharan 2. I love this purple and the yellow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I flipping love this. But they're the same pan size. This color right here, this deep like wine red color, oh my god, it's so pigmented and so flipping beautiful. And then this color right here is also gorgeous as an inner corner highlight, brow highlight, anything you want to put on your lid highlight. It's pretty. But these are going to be basically like the stars of the show. So I'm going to do kind of like a review slash first impressions on these two specifically. And then one other product I got that actually is going to be in another video I'm filming, and this is literally just a beauty blender. That's all it is. It actually came in my FabFitFun box, and I wanted to test it out compared to my other two sponges that I have. This is obviously going to be the biggest because this is the face and body sponge. Love this. By the way, I need to get a new one. Mine's cracking. But I wanted to compare it mainly to this EcoTools one, because this thing is $5 and this thing I think they're still $20. But just getting them wet, this is already a lot softer than this one is. Not that I don't mind the kind of like rough, like not roughness, but like stiffness of it. It is bigger. This one is bigger. They're very similar in size, but this one is just a lot squishier. And I'm gonna be really sad if I fall deeply in love with this beauty blender, because I'm not willing to spend $20 on a beauty blender. But depending on how long it lasts me, it's totally gonna be fine. I may have to commit and just start buying beauty blenders, but we're gonna test these out as well. So, without further ado, let's get into this fucking video already. Like, I just talk way too much. For primer, I don't normally do primer. I don't really see that big of a difference when I do primer, but we're gonna use the Porefessional. This is just the mini size. I wanna try it out. I'm not gonna spend $20 some on a big one. So I'm just putting this pretty much either the places I get oily or the places I have the worst pores, which is right here, this whole area, and then my nose. Moving on, we're gonna do the face, and then I will be, actually, I'll leave this in. I'll leave the foundation part in, because I wanna test this out on camera, because I've never had a beauty blender, and I'm actually super excited because it's super cute and it's pink. Anyways, I think we're gonna take this Covergirl Trublend Matte Made foundation. It says it's a comfort matte. This is L40. I think I've used this in one other video before. I don't know if I actually ended up putting it up. I may have, I may not have. Who knows? But I haven't tried this one in a while because I always go back to my BB cream, the Garnier Skin Active BB cream, something, I don't know what it's called. I love it. It's great because I'm super oily, so I'm not a super full coverage person, but I don't think this is full coverage. I don't know. It just says oil free comfort matte. It doesn't really say any, it doesn't say anything whether it's what kind of coverage. So we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna throw it on. Oh god, this could be bad. This could be a bad situation, but we're just gonna go with it, guys. We're gonna pick it up. Okay. I do like this though. It is very soft. For the Beauty Blender, I mean, it's okay. I still think I prefer the bigger face and body sponge just because it literally takes 10 seconds to do it. But I mean, this isn't bad. I love how soft it is. It does seem to soak up a lot of product, but that's to be expected with sponges. I mean, this one is, I need to clean it. I'm sorry. That's a disgrace. So now that I'm finishing up the face, I'm gonna pop back in and we're gonna talk about this Makeup Revolution palette. It had to be, I want to say it was probably 12, maybe 9, between like 9 and 12, I believe. And it comes with the 4 colors. I don't know, I'm not too excited about this bronzer slash contour situation, but we're just gonna ignore that and move on. So I'm gonna try out this color right here. It is more of a pinky. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch those. There they are. Hopefully you can see them. They're kind of powdery. So I mean, they look pretty. This one is the one that's pretty much speaking my name. This one is way too light. This is more like a brow. And then this one might work. This one definitely won't. This one might work. I could use this one as like an eyeshadow because it's more of like a rose gold. So I mean, it's not like I can't use them. But we're gonna grab, where are you? There you are. A handy dandy highlight brush. This is just a small tapered brush from e.l.f. and it was like $3, $5, something like that, 3 or 5. This is the best thing I've ever used for highlight, ever. I don't really know how I feel about this. It definitely emphasizes texture. This cheek is the better cheek. I don't have as much. I don't know how I like this. It's really white. And okay, so right on this cheek, if you can see it, that's this color right here. Not the top color, that's this color. I can't even imagine what this top color would look like if I tried to put that on my cheek. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over that with that foundation. Yeah, it's very powdery. Like, this side, I don't know if you can tell, all my texture is showing right here. And that barely ever happens with a highlight, even though that's the side that has most texture. I don't know, it's just really powdery and it just doesn't want to melt into the skin. I'm just gonna grab this, this is my Nicole Guerrero Anasazi Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is my holy grail, these 2 middle colors right here. Holy grail, love them to death. We're gonna try to fix what's broken here. For these, I'm gonna say I would pass on these. I mean, I guess you can use them as like I said, like brow bone highlights or eyeshadows, but as like actual highlights, I don't think I would use these. Now, for the exciting stuff, I'm so excited! Okay, the real question is, what palette did I want to use today? We can use both. Why not? I think I'm gonna go in with this. It's so difficult. There's so many options you can choose. Okay, so I think the first color I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this big yellow shade. I love the pan size. They're so big. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade. And we're just gonna go with it, and we're gonna see where this takes us, because it's either gonna turn out super good or really weird. Either way, I'm okay with it. So I'm just gonna take this blending brush here, and we're gonna put that basically. Yes. Basically, this is gonna be our transition color, because both of these palettes unfortunately don't have like a lighter brown to be able to start. So even if you got these two and you maybe say you didn't want to use like the orange or the yellow or even this blue as like your transition color, you would have to pull from another palette. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use this yellow. I am actually in love with this color. Ooh, what else? What do we want to go in with? What do we want to go in with? Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with this orange shade next, right here. I don't really know where this this look is going, but we're just gonna go there, guys. These shadows are pigmented AF. God, oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, guys. If you're looking for color to really like inspire you to do different eye looks, go with this palette. God. I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna just like very carefully just run some yellow over the edges, just so we get that color to pop back through, because it is such a beautiful color. It's like a sunset on my eyeballs. I love it. I love it. I love it. Because you don't want to lose that transition color. And I mean, you can, like, if you're not careful, you can blend on, like, right on top of it. But if you just take a brush, dip back into it, and just kind of run it over the edges, like right here, you can get it to pop back up. For lid color, actually, what if I'm gonna put this one, this top middle shade, on my lid. It might look better actually if we carve it out. I'm just gonna take this tiny little detail brush. You can tell it's very tiny, very thin. I'm just gonna take some concealer on the back of my hand. Now, granted, we're gonna experience this together because I've never done this. So now that we have this concealer on, it's not the best job. We're gonna roll with it. We are gonna throw, like I said, we're gonna throw this top middle shade. My goodness. Okay, so final thoughts. Are these worth your money? Abso-freaking-lutely. These are worth your money. I'm gonna finish my eyes and stuff in a minute, but I want to talk about these real fast. You need these in your life. Could you buy just one or the other? Sure, if you're not into color. This one is actually inspiring. And it's beautiful, so I highly recommend this one. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes and then I'll be right back. Whew! Okay guys, thanks for sticking with me. This video makes me so excited to get like super back into makeup. It makes me super inspired. I love this. I highly recommend these two palettes if you are in the market for new eyeshadow palettes. The pigmentation is beautiful, the color selection is beautiful. It's just super inspiring to make something crazy. I've never done this on like an orange eye look on my eye before, and I am absolutely in love with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next